Can you keep a secret?
Can you keep a secret?
This is Real Movie English. Together, we watch real movies, train your ears, and then you speak. Role play in real situations. Let's go.
I need to tell you something.
I need to tell you something.
I need to tell you something.
I need to tell you something. It means I have something important to say. Let's practice in a real situation. When the line lights up, say it out loud. You give your friend's camera back. The glass on the front is broken. And you say,
I need to tell you something.
Can you keep a secret?
Can you keep a secret?
Can you keep a secret?
Can you keep a secret? It means, can you promise not to tell anyone? You are hiding a birthday gift. You talk very quietly and your friend asks, why are you talking so quietly?
Can you keep a secret?
Let's just keep this between us.
Let's keep it between us. For now, let's just keep this between us.
Let's just keep this between us. It means, let's not tell other people. Can you keep a secret? Asks for a promise before you share. This one asks a person not to share what they already know. You and a friend make a surprise cake. Your friend picks up a phone and asks, can I tell the others?
Let's keep this between us, okay?
Let's just keep this between us.
We all have our secrets.
We all have our secrets.
We all have our secrets.
We all have our secrets. It means everyone has things they don't tell others. Your friend holds a small book with a lock and says quietly, I've never told anyone this.
But we all have our secrets.
Why keep it a secret?
Then why keep it a secret?
Why keep it a secret?
Why keep it a secret? It means, why not tell other people? Your friend puts a gold medal in a bag and says, I don't want people to know I won.
Why keep it a secret?
Quiz time! What does can you keep a secret? Ask. Option A, will you promise not to tell anyone? Option B, will you tell everyone now? Option C, will you help me find something? Write A, B, or C in the comments. Or beat the clock. The answer is A. The speaker wants no one else to know.
You're hiding something.
You're hiding something.
You're hiding something.
You're hiding something. It means you're not telling me everything. A secret can simply be private. This line says you think a person is not telling you all of it. Your friend holds both hands behind the back and looks away. On the floor, you see a piece of a broken flower pot. And you say,
You're hiding something.
Hiding something. Tell me the truth.
Tell me the truth!
Tell me the truth.
tell me the truth. It means, tell me what really happened. The cookie jar is empty. Your friend has bits of cookie on the face and says, I didn't eat them.
Tell me the truth.
Tell me the truth.
Is that the truth?
Is that the truth, son?
Is that the truth?
Is that the truth? It means, is what you said really true? Dirty shoe marks go from the open door to your friend's feet. Your friend says, I never went outside.
Really? Is that the truth?
I need you to be honest with me.
I need you to be honest with me.
And I need you to be honest with me.
I need you to be honest with me. It means, I need you to tell me the truth. Tell me the truth asks what really happened. Is that the truth? Asks if one thing is true. And this line is more serious and more personal. Your friend borrowed your laptop. Now the screen is broken and your friend looks away. And you say,
I need you to be honest.
And I need you to be honest.
I need you to be honest with me.
I need you to be honest with me.
I'm telling the truth.
I'm telling the truth.
But I'm telling the truth.
I'm telling the truth. It means, I am not lying. Use this line when someone does not believe your words. Blue paint is on the floor and one of the cat's feet is blue. But your friend says, I don't believe the cat did this.
I'm telling the truth.
Last quiz. What does "why keep it a secret" mean? Option A, why not tell other people? Option B, who told you about it? Option C, where did you put it? Write A, B, or C in the comments, or beat the clock. The answer is A. The speaker asks why no one else can know. That's 10 sentences for secrets and the truth. Now you can ask for a promise and ask for an honest answer. See you in the next lesson.